Yeah, I'll introduce this little short video. This will be pretty short and sweet. It's just a real simple little pattern. It's an oven pull, push-pull in the shape of a squirrel. So if you hang on here, I'll introduce you to the pattern and the material I'm using to make this. Now I want to introduce this little pattern and the material I'm using. This is another piece, I believe walnut. You can see it's got that big hole in it. I bought it in a seconds package from my vendor, and that pattern's going to fit perfectly right there. This is walnut. I do a lot of sourdough stuff. Especially in the wintertime, I get into baking some sourdough bread, and I use the sourdough discard to make cookies with and what have you. And this is going to be an oven pull. You can push it in here or flip it over and pull it out with the ear. But just wanted to show that and the pattern, and I got this pattern for free from Woodcraft. Downloaded it because I get their email newsletter, and it was included in that. And that's a piece of walnut that I got with my seconds package. It's a little thicker, slightly thicker than a 1/4 inch, I believe. But I think it's going to make a nice little oven pull. Let me get this pattern and we'll go cut it out. It'll be quick and simple. It'll be more about finishing and rounding the edges than anything else. So let me get going on that. I'm not going to put any clear tape over it. It's just a real quick outside cut. And hopefully this wood's going to be good all the way through. Got some rough spots here, but I'm not going to get a lot of that in there. I'll do some sanding and rounding and smoothing on that anyway. So real quick outside cut. See what it looks like when I get done. Yeah, I thought that looked like walnut. I can tell by the smell it definitely is, but it cuts very nicely. We'll do a little sanding and rounding, kind of smooth that off, and that'll be a nice little oven pull, push-pull. Put a little finish on it of some kind, but let me continue this and we'll see how it turns out. So there we have the finished product. I took a sharp blade and kind of cut those edges off a little bit and then sanded it with some 120 grit sandpaper, and I put some Danish oil on it, 2 coats of Danish oil, and wife has already used it, said it works great. So there's the finished product. Thank you for watching, and that was a nice quick short little video, simple and easy, and I'll try to get a link to the pattern down there in case somebody else wants to try it. So thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the like button too, please. Thank you.